So I'm finally going to get a chance to get some of my own plants planted. And I've probably got well over 30 plants at this point. And because of the heat, they really need to get in the ground. Let me show you a few things that I've got. We've got Catmint here. This variety, which I hadn't seen before, is Sedum Plum Dazzled, which I'm loving. We have some Salvias, Russian sage here, coneflowers, of course. Then we have hummingbird mint, which the hummingbirds and bees are absolutely going crazy over this. I have some denim and lace Russian sage. This container is my some of my stuff from Ohio, and I've got some more in here, and I'm not going to get it all done. Once I get them placed, I will show you where they are going, and then I'm going to plant them so that they can finally start getting their roots settled. We have a pink profusion, Salvia, Catmint, Beardtongue or Penstemon. This is the hummingbird mint, and I've got 4 of them in here. And I love this Artemisia, but I don't know. Let's see. Silver lining Artemisia, which is just gorgeous. And then we have this, and I do need to stake it up so that it can grow, but that's the Raise for Days, Heliopsis. This is the Sedum. We have a yellow coneflower there. Denim and lace Russian sage, the hummingbird mint, a Sedum, the Russian sage, and if I can get all of that in tonight, that will make me very happy. So here is one of the coneflowers that I put in. I decided that I wanted to add another one, so I put the powwow coneflower here. Here's that yellow one. I still need to stake this one up. Here's another pink dazzled sedum, and then coming this way, we have an Agastache, Artemisia, Catmint, and then this is a Beardtongue, Salvia, and another Catmint. So I am so glad that I got these in for this evening. I also noticed, and I had been wondering this before, but my drip irrigation is not working in all places going around this tree, and this is my middle tree. So that is definitely something that I will need to look into very, very soon. But thanks so much for coming along, and I hope you get a chance to enjoy your garden today. Until next time, bye.